Hello guys, I'm back. This is Web3 Daily Moxie Day 23. So it's Wednesday, September 11th. We are running for the 5th week together. And today I want to talk about something which I'm definitely interested in. And it's going to be the Moxie DAO Retrogrants. Let me just find it. I bookmarked it somewhere from Jason. No, this one. Here we go. Moxie Retro number 1. 250 million Moxie available for contributions to growing Moxie protocol. Applications are open, and the review process, submission, and everything, we talk about it briefly here. This is, how the page where you can go actually looks like. So Moxie protocol is governed by the DAO. Now, the DAO right now basically means Jason and Airstack team, but there is a fancy process coming up for, people nominating and selecting delegates, which will then basically work for the DAO. And the delegates will be actually people who will select the RetroGrant recipients. So RetroGrant number 1 program has a deadline as well as submission deadline, September 30th. So it's basically the first 2 months of Moxie after launch. There will be experts council, as I mentioned. Nomination and voting for experts will be live via Farcaster frames very soon. I hope it should be fun. And in October, there is basically a timeline. First, we need the expert council. Then the experts will review and create the projects. And it will, basically do it in different buckets of the projects. We look at the buckets and categories below in a moment. And then DAO will be voting. And the top tier projects will receive the rewards. Now, I think everybody kind of hopes they will receive something. I hope I will be one of the top tier projects, but who knows? DAOs are unpredictable, like people, right? So the submission date is firm. The other dates can be changed, but the fact is you will receive some grant. If you will be one of the top tier projects, you will receive it during October. I think the Moxie which you will receive will be actually vesting over 90 days. I think I saw it here. Yeah. It will be released in daily tranches over 90 days of this disbursement period. So there shouldn't be like a dump on the Moxie price. Here are the application categories for Moxie Retrogram number 1. Original apps, frames, and actions. Basically, original code. That's not me. That might be you. No-code Farcaster use cases. Ecosystem apps contribute anything which contributed to Farcaster. Unique uses of fan tokens. I don't know what should fit into this category because it seems to me that everything which is no code kind of fits into education, awareness, and growth. So basically, we are talking about Moxie. I'm talking about Moxie. Kyle is talking about Moxie. A lot of other people are talking about Moxie on Farcaster, on X, on YouTube, everywhere else. And it seems to me that, even the cases connected with like live streaming or the Farhouse or other apps are kind of in this category, but we will see. And then others, if you don't fit anywhere in the ABC, you have to try the others. It is exciting partly because of the Moxie, because who wouldn't want to buy more fan tokens, right? But I think the most exciting part is actually how we will get to the DAO voting delegates and how we will build the DAO expert council. This will be super interesting process to watch and try to participate in. So I definitely recommend everybody to participate. If you click apply, you go to Charmverse, which is, one of the apps where you can basically build your profile and use it for different applications, for different grants. I'm not going to spend the time on this here, but Moxie DAO is using Charmverse for project details. And if you've done more things on the Moxie front, you basically should fit it into this one project application, because everybody can apply just once. So you will do email, usernames, category, project details, some parameters like impact, which is basically we are looking for numbers, relevant links, what is the utility, again, relevant links, future potential, relevant links. Here's the disclosure. I'll be filling up the application, probably not today, but soon. And you should consider your application as well if you are doing anything with Moxie apart from buying fan tokens. I encourage everybody to apply. This should be fun. Let's do it. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.